Good morning all of you. I Razia Patan from Granjiti Vidyapith, standard 5th. So students, today we'll start multiplication step word problems, worksheet number 15. That will start. Solve the following in the page provided. That will start. So students, in that first one question is Mira's washing machines can wash 16 pieces of the clothes at a time. That means one time में 16 pieces of the clothes से वो washing machine में wash होता है. If she has washed 5 sarees, 6 trousers, 8 shirts, 8 salwars and 3 jeans, how many times will she have to total? How many times will she have to load the machine? That we have to find. So we'll follow some steps, and instead of that steps we have to get the solution. So we'll start the steps. So students, worksheet number 15, standard 5th, step number 1, numbers and keywords. So numbers is 16 pieces of clothing, 5 sarees, 10 shirts, 8 salwars, 3 jeans. Now step number 2. Ask what they are asked. They are asking that how many time will she have to load the machine. Step number 3, draw. So we have to draw here 2 boxes. In that, first of all we have to write 6 pieces. Then we have to write here 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 3. Step number 4, operation. So we'll use here addition and multiples. Step number 5 is a solution. So first of all we have to write total pieces of clothing is equal to 5 plus 10 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to, answer is 32. Answer is 32. So 32 divided by 16, Sixteen twos are 32. 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. So Mira will have to load the washing machine. We have to write the answer here. Answer: Mira will have to load the washing machine two times. Now students, first of all you have to look at this 4 steps and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now I'll show you step number 5. Solution is that you have to write this solution in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start next sum, second sum. Ravi went to the shop to buy some stationery. He brought 4 blue pens, 3 black pens and 2 red pens. Each pen cost 7 rupees. How much did Ravi have to pay the shopkeeper? Okay, रवि जो है वो स्टेशनरी में गया, कुछ स्टेशनरी शॉप पे गया कुछ स्टेशनरी परचेज करने के लिए. सो उसने वहाँ से क्या परचेज किया? व्हाट ही परचेज? 4 ब्लू पेन्स, ठीक है, 3 ब्लैक पेन एंड 2 रेड पेन उसे परचेज किया. एंड ईच पेन कॉस्ट, दैट मीन्स सभी जो सिंगल पेन है उसका प्राइस क्या है? 7 रुपीज़. सो हाउ मच डिड रवि हैव टू पे द शॉपकीपर? रवि को शॉपकीपर को कितनी अमाउंट है वो पे करनी है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो हियर वी हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप्स. स्टेप नंबर 1, numbers and keywords. Numbers is 4 blue pen, 3 black pen, 2 red pens. Each pen cost is equal to 7 rupees. Step number 2, ask. What they are asking, how much did Ravi have to pay the shopkeeper? How much did Ravi have to pay the shopkeeper? Step number 3, draw is there. So we have to write here. Each pen is equal to 7 rupees. Each pen is equal to 7 rupees. Then we have to write 4 blue pen, 4 boxes we have to draw here. Then 3 black pen, and in a last 2 red pen. Step number 4, operation. So we'll use addition and multiplication. Step number 5, solution is there. So first of all pens we have to write here. All pens is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2 9 pens are there, 9 pens. Then Ravi paid 9 pence into 7 rupees. So 9 into 7 is equal to 63. In the last answer, Ravi have to pay 63 rupees. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to look at this. Step number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Okay students, now I'll show you last 2 steps. You have to write these steps in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Okay students, now third one sum. Varun earn 30,000 per month. ठीक है, एवरी मंथ उसको कितना अर्न कर रहा था? 13,000. His rent is 6,600 पर मंथ. 6,600 उसका पर मंथ रेंट था. मंथली फूड बिल इज 1,590. मंथली उसका जो फूड बिल है वो कितना था? 1,590. एंड इंश्योरेंस कॉस्ट हिम 10,000 पर मंथ. पर मंथ इंश्योरेंस वो कितना पे कर रहा था? 10,000. हाउ मच मनी डज ही हैव लेफ्ट आफ्टर पेइंग ऑफ दिस 3 एक्सपेंस? उसके जो 3 एक्सपेंस थे, 6,600 पर मंथ रेंट मंथली, then food bill 1,519 and insurance is a 10,000 per month. Okay, how much money does have left with after paying this expense? Now उसका जो मंथली इनकम था वो 13,000 था. अगर वो सारा ये इनकम है वो पे कर देता है, and then how much money will remain with the Varun? That we have to find it. So we'll follow the steps, and instead of that steps we'll get the solution. So we'll start that. So students, step number 1, numbers and keywords we have to find. So numbers is 13,000 on 6,600. Rent is there 1,519. Food bill 10,000. Insurance is there. Then step number 2, ask. What they are asked, how much money does he have left after paying off this 3 expense. Step number 3, draw for understand. So we have to draw here 2 boxes, 13,000. In the second one we have to write 1,519, 10,000 plus 6,600. Step number 4, operation. So we'll use addition and subtraction. Step number 5, solution is there. So expense, first of all we have to write expense we have to write here rent is equal to 6,600. Then we have to write food is equal to 1,519. Insurance we have to write here insurance is equal to 10,000. All expense, so here we have to write all expense is equal to rent plus food plus insurance. So answer is 6,600 plus 1,519 plus 10,000. Here answer is 18,119. Monthly money left is equal to salary minus all expense. So we have to write here 13,000 minus 1,000, 18,119 is equal to 11,881 rupees. Here we have to write 6,600 plus 1519 plus 10,000. So answer is 18,119. Then we have to subtract here 13,000 minus 18,119. Cut 3, write here 2. Cut 0, 0, write there 9, 9 and 9. Write here 10, 10 minus 9, 1 is there. 9 minus 1, 8 is there. 9 minus 1, 8 is there. 9 minus 8, 1 is there. 2 minus 1, 1 is there. Answer is 11,119. So, we have to write money with answer money left with Varun after paying off the three expense is 11,181 rupees. Now students, I'll show you one by one steps. That steps you have to write in your maths notebook. First of all, I'll show you step number 1 to 4. That steps you have to write in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, now I'll show you step number 5. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you last steps. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now your homework is today will completed sum number A, B and C. your homework is you have to complete the sum number C, D, E and F. So in your maths books you have to write 6 sums A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, F तक जो sums है that sums you have to write in your maths notebook and send it to me that sums before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work and send it to me that sums before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.